Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section. So having said that, let's focus on the question right now. Sum of two numbers is 462 and their HCF is 22. What is the maximum possible number of pairs that satisfy these conditions? Okay. So basically what we have is sum of two numbers. The sum is 462 and HCF is 22. So therefore, since the HCF is given, therefore we can say let first number be 22A and second number be 22B. Okay, 22B. So now what is given, that their sum is 462, right? So we can write A plus 22B equal to 462 or 22A plus B 462. Now let me try and cancel the same. So 11, this would be 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So therefore A plus B will be 21. Okay. Now we need to find the maximum possible numbers that satisfy this particular condition. Okay. So here let me see. Draw a small table. So A, B and sum. Suppose if A is 10 and 11, so 21 yes, 21 yes, 19 2, 21 yes, followed by 18 3, 21 yes, it can be also done. Okay, 8, 13, but we cannot consider this particular case because A and B has to be relative prime to each other. Okay, let me just mention that A and B are prime or basically co-primes. So 8, 3 cannot be included in the list. So next 18, 3 cannot be in the list. So we can have 17, 4, 21, 16, 5 also we can have. So 16, 5 can be included. Okay, and then we can have another one being 65, 15, 6 no, 13, yeah, we can include one with 13, 8. Okay, 13, 8 can be included as well, and 12, 9 no, cannot be included. So this 6 numbers basically 1, A or B, anything can be 2, 3, 4, 5 and finally 6. So this 6 options, option 4 will be our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you, the approach and everything involved. So in case you have any doubt with respect to how we came about with the solution, kindly go through the entire question. I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards as well. So having said that, if you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details like website URL, our email addresses, and also our numbers for call, text or WhatsApp. So feel free to connect with us in all those lines. And also if you have any doubt with respect to your competitive exam preparation, and also competitive preparation wise doubt if you have, or if you have any doubt with regards to your what to say, any subject or concepts, any topics on which you might have any confusion and need explanation upon, feel free to connect with us on those as well, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, so having said that, if you liked our video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with all that said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.